Hi everyone. So that's a Mercedes ML which is getting painted right now in our Autorounders workshop paint booth. So there is some more time to go for the final touch. Stay tuned. We will show you the final results once the final paint is done. So now this is the final base coat. You can see the finish is matte right now. So after this, the lacquer will be sprayed on this. It will be Standox lacquer, one of the best quality lacquers that we will be using. So I will show you the result once the lacquer is also done on this car. So guys, now the final lacquer is also done on this car. You can see the gloss in this car, it's almost like a mirror. The lacquer that we have used for this car is Standox, which is one of the best brand for car paint. You can see the shine and gloss in this car now. This is a Mercedes ML. It's painted by Autorounders in our paint booth. That's our paint booth. Still there are final finishing to be given to this, and after that it will be complete. You can see the car is fully opened and painted. The roof is done glossy black. So guys, you can call us on 7666 830 830 for any car related jobs. We are based out of Mumbai. Thank you for watching this video. This is Satish from Autorounders, Mumbai. That's the Merc ML which just got painted and we are getting it out of our workshop. So guys, if you want any such paint job to be done, you can call us on 7666 930 930 or 7666 830 830 for more details.